How's this for a windy day? It's fucking roaring. Listen to it. Here we go. What you call a Sydney westerly. Just missed it. Oh, fuck. Oh, there goes the power line. I just heard a massive tree crash over here. Oh, fuck. Listen to that. Oh, shit. Fuck, that made my hair stand on end. That's fucking power arcing out. Holy shit. That's at the fucking, that's at the oval. Fuck, that was loud. And people want to camp out in August. No thanks. Here it comes again. I think I might go and check out that fucking, where that noise came from. Well, here's the tree I just heard snap in half. Check it out. I'd like to camp under that fucking thing. I'm gonna fuck off out of this.